So one thing that makes you much faster in building up event models is, I call it the one-click modeling integration. What we can do is basically we can just select an event as soon as we have our timeline, as soon as we have our events using AI or not. You can just click on one event, and the only thing you need to decide is basically using the slice integration here. Is this a state view? So do you retrieve information? Is this a state change? Do you change the system using, for example, an API call? Is this a background process running in the background? Or do we receive any kind of information from an external system? Then it's a translation pattern. If you say this is a state change, for example, you get the whole pattern already modeled out, including most of the time well-chosen names based on the event name. The attributes are already filled, and you can basically start right away starting to model it. So this helps you a lot in building quicker and faster event models. We could say this is a state view, providing information to another screen. And we could also say, if we move these ones to the right a little bit, we can say the next event here, registration process started, could be something like an automation where we have a read model, or we could reuse the existing read model. And we could say the processor retrieves the information from this read model. This is super fast, and you're only one click away from modeling all these patterns. And maybe you know it or not yet. In event modeling, we only have these 4 patterns, and you can model any information system using these 4 patterns. So basically, you build the timeline using events, and then you just click and decide what kind of operation is this, and the rest is more or less done automatically. See you in the next lesson.